Hello everyone, I'm Vanila and welcome to my channel. And I'm here today to please you with another pose of mine in a new different clothing, in color coordinated clothing like this, like so. I've made this skirt myself with a plait in the center, and this is a sports bra in similar color tones. I hope you like it, so please enjoy the pose from me. Thank you for watching me and subscribing.
What makes you journey into the night and take your flight on a pursuit of musical bliss? Chasing beats through ghetto streets, through a dungeonous temple left by our soul descendants in a quest for peace, energy, and light. If you would find this temple, do you have the knowledge to enter the temple? Do you want it? And if you had it, would you flaunt it? To the temple is hard to face. Trek through God-forsaken elements.
Tell me if you like the music that I'm putting in my videos. Leave a comment below.
The light is knowledge. Do you want it? And if you had it, would you flaunt it?
Thank you for watching and subscribing. Love you lots. I am Vanila and see you in the next